There's just so many good goodies. And this is my bag. Hey guys, and welcome back here to Born Beautiful here with Amy. I am so excited to be back here with you guys for yet another video. Yes, so you guys came here to see a Dollar Tree haul, and it is gonna be titled Dollar Tree Planner Haul because everything in here is, for the most part, 98% planner stuff, and I'm so excited. Every single year, I don't know if I'm the only one, I buy a new planner and I'm like, this is the year I'm gonna use it. Well, I bought yet another one, and let's see if I use it. I mean, I've had it for 2 weeks and I haven't used it, so I mean, what else can we do besides to dig into this beautiful bag that we have right here? Oh, so many goodies, so excited. So the first thing that I have in here are these planner stickers. They're really, really, really cute. Tell me not. Like, I love the colorfulness of it. If you know anything about me, I love colors. Colors and I are best friends. So as you can see, these are really cute. They say like, pay your bill. The little mini ones are really adorable. These for birthdays, and in here you can just write the actual birth date. And then we get another side on the back, and this one has little break cups. These are so cute, little hangers, like it's time to go shopping. They're just really adorable. Look at this, shop. Like if you have an air flight, if you have a flight to catch, you could put these little things like for your vacation days. That would be really cute. And then we just have like errands, meeting, polish, or petty. Those are really, really cute. Like, girl, it's time to get a petty. By the way, these are like the stick-on ones by Kiss. Really good. I love these. Really pretty. Payday. Who doesn't like Payday? I mean, I like it. So raise your hand if you like Payday. On practically the same note, we also have these right here. Very similar, but extremely different in a way. These are more of your fitness, let's keep our life on track kind of planner stickers. Really cute. I also love the aesthetic on these stickers personally. Really, like, they're more of my color because they're a little bit more pastel-y in a way. More like neon compared to these. These are definitely brighter. You got this. Like if you're working out, trying to get the camera focused on this, they have like yoga, swim, gym, the number of steps you did for a day. That's really, really cute. Water stickers, those are really nice, you know, because sometimes you don't want coffee. Sometimes you need to remind yourself to drink some water. And little hearts are really cute. So overall, really, really cute. And then on the back side, it literally tells you like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Meal preps, those are really cute. Like you could put these in your planner like on Sundays, and then you're like reminded like, it's Sunday, I got a meal prep. That's really cute. Here's drink your water, really cute, and it has a little water droplets, and this basically shows you like the 8 cups you're supposed to drink. So that would be ideal to put on your planner and literally like kind of like cross off the little water droplets or fill them in with a marker. And then here's rest day, cardio day. That's the really good leg day. How amazing is that? Really cute stickers. I really love these. So I do believe there's one more set in a Dollar Tree or at Dollar Tree, but I personally really like these two, and the other one I felt like I personally was not going to get a lot out of it. The next thing that I have is from the brand My Plan My Way, I believe is what they're called. These are from Bird Studio. I think that's the actual name of the brand. 3 Birds Design, and this apparently is going to be a brand that's always going to be at Dollar Tree now, and they're probably going to end up doing new designs and everything, but so far this is what they're starting off with, and these are so cute. I'm just wondering if we can get it to focus. So look, good for today. This is awesome. The little flowers, girl boss, that's really cute. Really cute. Remember right there. That's really pretty. And then we have some more in the back. So as you can see, it's in the front and the back. So really awesome. Best day ever. They're really cute. These are some stickers that I've been using that I actually had for a while at home, but I never really got the gist of it. So now that I actually am using them, I decided to go ahead and pick up a second pack. It's basically your weekdays on Monday through Sunday. And what I personally like to do on these is I like to put like Fridays on all my Fridays and basically put tasks and a little checkbox. So I check off the box when I have submitted my task by Friday. So that's really good. And then I found these the other day. These are just some colored labels. I thought these were really cute. I thought they were colorful. Colors really got to me, as you can see. Like, so I'm at a cubicle, and the top of the cubicle has like the space where I like to like differentiate like intakes, things that I need to do, things that I need to mail out. And so I thought these would be a cute addition, and they were like really nice with a silver Sharpie or a black Sharpie. Ooh, these are some of my favorite, and I just hope that the sticking power is good. And it comes with 150 sheets, so that seems really good. These are some post-it notes, but like the brand Jot, which is like a Dollar Tree brand, but they're so amazing. Like, oh my god, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Are you ready? Okay. Look at these beautiful post-it notes. Did you see the like stencils? To do, urgent, and approve. So pretty. The colors I like, they're pastel-y, they're like good size, and just like, oh my god, how do they get that to be there? Like, how do you cut that out that perfectly? I mean, obviously it's a machine, we all know that part, but like, it's just amazing how they do that. It reminds me of papel picado. Like, if you're Mexican, you know what I'm talking about, and if you don't, I'll put it like up here, because if you've seen like Coco or The Book of Life, two of my all-time favorite movies, you would know what papel picado is. The next thing that the Dollar Tree is carrying now, with that same previous brand I mentioned, are these little flag clips. Ooh, how cute are these? Little flower, like a little line one, big plants, and today. And that's really cute. Just some paper clip flags for $1. I feel like these might be a little bit overpriced, but they're cute, so they're worth it. Now, these I also use for work a lot, and they do supply us with them, but I don't know, I don't like them. I personally like to get these. There is a store near my job that sells some really similar ones, but the other day I went to Dollar Tree, and I like that these have like these pastel colors in here, that like purple, lavender, and this pastel pink with a little bit of a purple undertone to it, and of course the pink, and the other one usually just has pink for like the girly colors that I like. So I definitely picked up these. It comes with, I believe, yeah, 500 for $1. You cannot go wrong with that. Oh my god, the next one that I found was so freaking cute, and I can't believe it's not like Valentine's, and if they have it out right now. It's post-it notes, but these are called love notes, and they're the cutest thing ever. Like, look at that, they're so cute. I think the contrast is too much for it to handle, but yeah, like I said, it says love notes here written on it. So cute, and then like, it's just so adorable. I don't even think they're post-its. It's just a notepad, but it was so pleasing to my eyes that I had to get it. And then onto one of the randoms. I drink coffee almost every day now, and 3 months ago I like never drank coffee. I probably drank coffee like 4 times a year. Well, now I'm drinking it like every single day, which is not good, first of all. Second of all, it's also expensive, like $3 times 5 days, that's 15 bucks. And if you times that through a month, that is $90 just on coffee for a month, which is crazy. That's like 1,000 in a year on coffee. What? Yeah, exactly. So I decided on buying this because they had it at Dollar Tree, and I know that this is really good because I remember having it back in the days. It's like if I was old and had this like when I was 20. No, I probably had this like when I was like around 15ish. And for a buck for 6 ounces, heck yeah. I mean, foundation for an ounce is like $50. So I think this is worth it. Do you like how I'm comparing foundation to creamer? Yeah, there's something wrong with me. I know. And then, of course, we also need coffee. This one I thought was a little bit of a ripoff, but I still wanted to have it to take to work. So yeah, both of these I'm gonna take to work. And this is Nescafe, which I love that coffee, and it's called Dolca, and it's the dark roast. Oh, I might just finish this and then buy a light roast, because I do believe this isn't that much of a saving kind of thing. I mean, even if the light roast one was $3 for like how many ounces? 1.76 ounces. That's better than $1,000 of coffee a year from Dunkin' Donuts. I see you, Dunkin' Donuts. You be taking my money. Don't you think I don't be noticing? Because it's not just the coffee. I also got 2 bacon, egg, and cheese wraps, which adds up to a total of 7 something. So like, the next thing that I found, these are really, really cute. These are binder clips, and I thought these were really cute, like to separate parts of your planner. Oh, this is so cute. It's little sticky notes. It's 100 sheets per pack, and it says never stop looking up. The next thing that I have, oh my god, these were so cute. And these are both called planner stickers, but one of them is an 80 count and this one is a 216 count. These are smaller, so I get why there's more. We have little arrows, stars, hearts. I mean, we have little exclamation points, dollar signs, little check marks, cakes, envelopes like a message or something. And then on the other hand, we have the one that only has 80, but they're totally worth it. It has these little like note thingies. They're really cute and tiny, but you can write in between them. And then they have these little page flags, a smaller one, the little arrows right here, and then the don't forget. These are really, really cute. How cute are these? And then they have the same thing in the back. They also have like to do here, appointment, and important. So they're really, really cute, perfect for any kind of planner. Again, totally check out Dollar Tree if you need a planner in your life. And then I also have these. These are amazing, and for $1, these are great. These are little magnetic bookmarks, so they're little magnets. You just open them, put them onto a page, and there you go. It's saved. I have this on my planner to separate months once again, and I love this one. It says Girl Boss. This one has little polka dots, and this is just like a flower design. Really cute. You can see it better here. We also have these stickers. Same brand from Dollar Tree, Bird Studio. And that's what they look like. Appointment, date night, little heart arrow, bill due, ASAP or ASAP, to-do list, little hearts, flowers, and they're so cute for $1. Next thing we have from that same brand, Bird Studio, is this little pack of border stickers, or what to me is better known as washi tape, but in this amount. And if you think about it, it's really not worth it. But I guess if you look at it's kind of like the positive and the negative, because the negative is when you buy a washi tape, even if you get it on sale, you usually not gonna go through it. So this is perfect because you just get 2 sides of the tape, and it's perfect for your planner, perfect for whatever you need it for, but you know you're actually gonna get through it. You're actually gonna finish it, unlike the rolls of washi tape. So that to me is definitely a plus. And oh my god, I cannot believe I found these at Dollar Tree. These are amazing. They're amazing. I know they had like 2 other designs, but these were my favorite. These are literally washi tapes, but in dispensers, like whiteout dispensers. Yeah, so it's decorative tape. It doesn't say washi tape, it says decorative tape. But as you can see, it's like whiteout, right? But what's actually inside of it, let's focus, is little washi tape, and it looks like this, with the little hearts. How cute is that? How cute is that? How innovative is that? That's amazing. I've never seen these before, and it's amazing that I found them at Dollar Tree. This one is little stars, like colorful stars too. It's like a rainbow. Really cute. Oh my god, guys, if you don't have these yet, definitely go hunt them. I'm gonna be on the lookout for more of these. Ooh, gold strips. These are fun. These you could cut them out and put them in your planner, but just on like the notes section. And then you could write on here whether like a black permanent marker or like a silver one. And it would look so bomb. It's a little cupcake sticky note set. How cute is that? That's really cute though. You can't lie. Like that's the little squigglies and the cherry. So cute. And it's pink. I love pink. And yeah guys, without further ado, that is everything that I got at Dollar Tree this time around. Let me know if you're gonna be going on a hunt for some of these items, or what's your favorite item. Let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and if you are not new, thank you so much for the constant support. Thank you for being here even though I was gone like 2-3 months almost. I don't know, and even though I'm not consistent, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for being here through everything guys. Life has been a journey, and I'm truly the happiest that I've ever been in my life, and that's crazy. Yeah, without further ado though, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what your favorite item in this haul was, and if you would like to see more Dollar Tree hauls, definitely do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like me, big thumbs up. And if you don't like me but you like the content, big thumbs up. Basically, give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, as you can see, I need some sleep. Bye.